I'm turning with the road.
Yes. Yes, you are. You all right?
Yep.
Okay.
I think Juaze's voice got left in the curve.
Now I'm
Yeah.
taking videos. Because this is real.
They're not gonna believe it unless it's video. And like, yeah.
See, back home, people don't ride these for fun. They just ride it for transportation.
Oh yeah.
Somebody off in the back of the space for transportation.
Right. No, I do it for both.
The rides don't go like this.
Right. Yeah, but you guys probably don't got bikes like these in Africa.
They do.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
They got Teslas there.
Tesla?
Tesla, yeah.
Oh.
But you know, the materials for Teslas and iPhones, they come
Right.
from Congo.
Exactly.
Yeah. They got it. This is it's sold here. The materials for Teslas and iPhones, they come
Right.
from Congo.
Exactly.
Yeah. They got it. This is it's sold here in the U.S.
I know because of the price, right?
I know, and we're left with property. But the material comes from there.
I know. It's crazy.
Hey, y'all. Say hi to the world.
You're right. Oh, that's funny.
Never take one.
You saw them? You saw how they was waving?
I'm just saying hi.
Watch the car behind you, Amelia. Yep, we're good. Look at the babies.
I love houses where there's like a big yard.
Yeah.
And there's little babies.
These are the best type of roads. You can get to see more scenery, you know?
Yeah. Back home is like this. This is why I miss it. I'll probably be a better runner there because you're always running on hills.
Yeah. And you're still not far from Berea, as you can see. People that all the time at, being out on the bike. So yeah, it's its own little town. But there's no downtown. It's just like, houses and stuff.
I mean, Berea don't really have a downtown too.
Well, they got like they went by the Eco Village. That's considered, that was downtown. That was the main area. That's why the train station was there. So it used to be, but then people just don't.
They have a church already.
Yeah.
They're just now getting out.
I thought those houses looking church.
Yep. At 4 p.m.
No, Amelia, let me tell you, church back home is like 6-8 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, no, see, I don't have.
People talk about like, you know how you guys do like prayer requests? People
Yeah.
will actually talk about it instead of like writing it down.
Yes.
And they will like give thanks in public. They will be like, this week God saved me from this and that. So everybody takes turns doing that. That's why it takes so long.
Yeah. Yeah.
That way of service.
American church. All right.
Okay.
You got a curve coming up here, though.
I'm gonna wait for this truck.
Come on. All right.
I can't. The truck blocked me.
Well, you're clear all the way around, so whenever you want to go, come on.
All right.
Wow. Ah! Were you taught how to ride a motorcycle?
Huh?
Listen.
You say what?
Were you taught how to ride a motorcycle, or did you just happen to know?
I kind of taught myself.
Wow.
There.
People moving out here.
Nah.
I would too.
Oh,
No thanks.
no, thank you.
Mm-mm.
It's nice for people who love peace.
All right, here we go. Look out there.
I see. This is how you admire nature.
That's right. Now look behind you. Can you see behind you?
Yeah. Take your video.
Well, hiking's not your thing, but you like to run cross country.
It makes
no
sense. Walking hurts. Walking hurts. I'm running to get it over with.
Walking hurts. I run to get it
Walking hurts.
over with.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dwyer, you just got to put the phone up. Look out there. Take it all in. The camera's getting everything for you. Don't worry.
I know, but these moments, hold on.
Oh, wait till you graduate and start making that good money. That'll be nothing for you.
Now, do you ever read something on Instagram or Facebook and then you go through the comments? And the comments are like, God, when?
Right, yes.
I'm looking at that house, I'm like, God, when?
I know. Yep. Yep.
Or some people will go through the comments and be like, Father, it's me again.
Oh, yeah.
It's me
It's-
again, Lord.
Right. Come on.
You clear.
Come on.
You clear. What does it, Cat Williams say? It is I, your humble servant, Lord.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, babe, your
Yeah.
mother loved this so much, one day we ought to take her on 1955.
Bull.
Way to limbo.
Yep.
And where's the entrance?
Over here where we're heading towards.
Oh. This is nice.
Yep.
No, inside Berea, there's no place to de-stress at all. Because everybody just, everywhere looks just like Berea.
Yep.
These don't look nothing like.
See, this lake is big.
Have you ever been tubing?
Oh,
It's a
yes.
different type of fun.
Oh,
I've done it
yes.
once in my life.
Yeah, my friend. Well, Kathy has. Tubing. Well, Kathy has kayaks, and Kathy has. Tubing. Well, Kathy has kayaks, and we go kayaking with her. And my friend owns a big lake like this.
It owns the lake.
Yes, ma'am. Yep. I'll send you the YouTube video that we.
Whatever these people landed on, I land on the same treasure.
Oh, you would do even better.
Wow.
You see how they're coming in? This is the entrance here.
Why did I think you was going to go the way we typically come in with that one-lane road?
Well, it's ugly over there, but I was going to, but this is better.
Okay.
Because now she gets to see the lake from this side now.
Take my video again.
Okay, go for it. Because now she gets to see the lake from this side now.
Take my video again.
Okay, go for it. Now you're closer. She said, I'm available only for the kitchens.
Wow. I am.
Ah.
No, I'm dead ass. Let me know.
I know that. Look, that boat's gone
That friend
too.
of yours that owns the lake, maybe.
Right, yeah.
Ow.
Yep, I go out there anytime. Call her
Okay.
because your hand just. Oh, I just normally, yeah.
Trying to adapt to this then. Practicing how to be rich.
That's it. That's right.
Okay.
Because your hand just. Oh, I just normally, yeah.
Wow, never tasted it. I passed by the train, but not this train.
Mhm. You're going to be very surprised with this.
Close to
Yes. Yeah, because then, like, their kids and.
yeah. Hey. Peace out, guys.
See the goats? And there are more cows. No udders, though. Oh,
It's bad there. The environmental state of Baltimore is bad.
oh, Baltimore, yes.
Yeah, in Maryland.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah.
That is for sure. What do you think of that, Jawaze?
Everything is cool.
What do you think of that, Jawaze?
Everything is cool.
All right. Warmer it is now?
Yeah. These are beautiful houses.
Yes. They got all the hay ready for the winter.
All for the crop. Yeah. Wow. Oh, so many people are buried there, and there's like 2 houses close there.
Yep, that's probably the neighborhood cemetery. Now they got little family cemetery.
Nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't want to be hunted.
Oh my God. Hey, you go right on out there and talk with them. I mean, they're your family. What they gonna do?
Even then.
About the hill?
They just look like stairs, but they're like very on a hill.
Yes. See, when we go riding out and stuff, so these are the type of roads that we would like to go ride on.
Yeah, it looks like home.
That's awesome.
I bet they know each other too.
Love it. Forgot how bumpy this road is.